for those who are already selling on Amazon or are going to sell in the future. However, this course also will be helpful for any online sellers on eBay, on Etsy, or maybe you have your own online store built on WordPress or Shopify. First of all, why Amazon? Why we pay so much attention to this online store, and why you've made a right choice to be a seller here? The answer is pretty straightforward. Amazon is the largest online store in the world. That means many buyers in USA and all around the world would consider to buy something on Amazon rather than attend some local store. Fast delivery, strict requirements to sellers, and strict requirements to products on Amazon, all of it make this online store a super reliable and super convenient place for the purchase. However, all the benefits that buyers get on Amazon in most of cases become obstacle for sellers. For example, competitors and reviews. Number of competitors and number of reviews give to buyers ability to choose product, get the best price and read about this product in usage. For sellers, especially for new sellers, there are obstacles. It's hard to compete with hundreds of other sellers and get your first reviews. In this course you will know how in 30 minutes create your working sales funnel that will solve both those issues. You will get your reviews and your rank will get better. You can get even to the first place in search results by using this technology. It's only the matter of time and investment. Why? Let's dive deeper. Amazon's ranking engine considered dozens of factors, but these three factors are the most powerful. There are sales velocity, reviews, and conversion rate. In other words, if you have a big amount of sales within some period of time, if you have a lot of positive reviews, and if almost everybody who visits your listing on Amazon buys your product, your bestseller or bestseller rank will get better very fast. This course covers all these three aspects of your success as a seller on Amazon. Now let's talk about different advertisings, the most powerful source of your buyers. Amazon encourages you to use their internal advertising tool. Ad on Amazon is effective, it's a fact. However, it will never get any contact information of your customer. Amazon keeps all the emails in secret. Yes, you can cheat Amazon by creating advertising on Facebook and get emails of your buyers via your own WordPress website. You can find out more about this trick in my another course, Sales Boost Technology of Leaders. It's a very effective technology, but it has one drawback. The open rate of emails now drops down. Currently, open rate of email is about 10%. That means only 10% of all your customers will read your email. The solution is very simple, Facebook Messenger. Why Messenger? And how it can replace emails? First of all, it's the most popular messenger in the world. The number of users currently is about 1 billion and grows very fast. Messenger can send any kind of information to your customers, including promo codes, offers, files, images. You can create chatbot that will help your customer giving answers on frequently asked questions and even upsell different products depending on the first purchase of this customer. Next benefit, that you don't need a WordPress website to get contact of your customer. You don't have to buy hosting, you don't have to know programming or web design and so on. Messenger is fully integrated with advertising on Facebook that makes it very convenient for your customers. And the most thrilling benefit, the open rate of messages in Facebook Messenger is about 90%. 90%, that means about everyone will see that you want to tell. Now let's see what you will get after running this technology. You will collect reviews, boost up your sales, you will improve your BSR rank of your product, you will get your product closer to the first page in search results, you will teach Amazon to rank you organically using super URL technology. You will collect contacts of your customers in Facebook Messenger. Now you probably have a question, so how this technology works? It's very simple. You reach people via Facebook ad, give them their own unique single-use promo code, and then lead them to Facebook Messenger. In Messenger, you give them a super URL. This is a special link of your product that teaches Amazon to rank you organically. Then they click on this link use their promo code and buy the product. After the purchase, we send them messages via Facebook Messenger where we ask to leave a review. Very simple but very powerful chain. Now let's take a look on the results of this technology. Here I show you a real example of running this technology on some product. See, initially products was selling very badly, about 50 units per month. But after we ran this technology, we sold about 500 units! In 2 months, incredible! You will never get such results after advertising on Amazon or by giving away promo codes and reviews. The other thing that I want to show you is a BSR rank of another product. We started a promotion on Amazon for this product in September. We spent a lot of money but reached only 80,000 BSR. Then we started this technology using Facebook Messenger in October and see the difference. We had 1,300 BSR. This is incredible product with such BSRs are best sellers. And what we got, this result is just 1 month. This technology works and works very efficiently. During all my lessons I will teach you how to copy this result, even if you are not familiar with messengers or Facebook advertising. All the lessons are created on step-by-step basis. You will dig into each step so deeply that we will be able to set up this technology without any additional knowledge. So, see you in the first lesson.